Hello YouTube, in this video I am going to do a tutorial on how I bleach my roots. I am not a hair care professional, so this is just what works for me. I'm not saying it works for everybody. Be very gentle with your hair. Using harsh chemicals like that is really dangerous. As you can see, my roots have grown out quite a bit. It's been about 6 weeks since I bleached. Them last. So yeah, I'm gonna bleach them now because we're in quarantine and there's nothing better to do. So I had to get a little bit of different stuff because I couldn't go out to the store to buy my products from Sally's. I had to order them. So I got this Schwarzkopf, however the heck you say it, Blonde Me powder, and I got their same 30 volume developer. I always use 30 volume developer. And then I used Olaplex in my bleach to keep it from damaging my hair. So let's first section my hair. I haven't washed my hair in like 3 or 4 days or something, so it's really greasy, which seems gross, but you should not bleach your hair when it's clean just because the oils help protect your hair a little bit, which is a top priority. So I always do the front first. Usually I get my sister to help me, but she's not going to today, so I'm gonna have to do it by myself. Okay, I'm gonna do these sections first. The ratio you want to do for bleach is a 1:2 ratio. So, wow, this powder is so pretty. Look at that. It smells actually really nice too, which is funny. So let's start with 1 scoop in my little cup. Take the developer and you're gonna put the equivalent of 2 scoops. So one scoop bleach to 2 parts developer. So about like that. I feel like maybe that's a little bit too much, but it's all about the consistency. Mix it up. Alright, so now that this is mixed up, I'm gonna add the Olaplex. So in the instructions for this amount of bleach, it says to put 1/16, which is about right here, if you can see it. So all you do is you squeeze the bottle until it's at 1/16, a little bit more than that. Just that much. And then you just unscrew this and put it in and mix it up again. Olaplex is only supposed to be used by professionals, so I don't know if I should say don't use it at home if you're not a professional. I'm not a professional, so I don't even know if you should necessarily be listening to me, but I've been bleaching my hair like this for 2 years now, and my hair is still pretty healthy, and I get compliments on it, people saying that my hair feels healthy and looks healthy, so I thought I should upload my method for what I do. Yeah, so we're gonna start just by putting the bleach on. I'm gonna start with this section of hair, and I'm gonna do this section of hair, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm gonna do the back section of my hair. So I just go like this, paint it on. Take the opposite end of your brush, this end, and go underneath that. And flip it over. And then repeat. Alright, that side is done. So now we have to do the other side. So I'm gonna go back to the center part, if I can find it. Okay. Oh, my arm is getting tired. Alright, I look totally crazy, but as you can see, my hair is already starting to lighten a little bit, so I'm just gonna let it sit probably for like 20 minutes and then come back to it, rinse it out, and then do the back of my hair. Hello, I'm back. I look crazy. I have a little bit of bleach here because I missed a spot. But I rinsed my hair out. It looks very yellow, but don't you worry because toner will get rid of all of that and it'll match the rest of my hair. So we're gonna do the back now. So this is always really tricky. There's a lot more hair in the back of your head, I feel, or maybe just in the back of my head. So let's take this out. It got a little bit wet when I was rinsing out the other stuff. But it'll be fine. So let's just take it out. Actually, I think I'm gonna start with this. Alright, I'm gonna wait 15-20 minutes and then rinse it, and that'll be it. Hello! Wow, the sun decided to come out. So I waited 20 minutes and then I rinsed the bleach out of my hair. I just rinsed my whole head. That's why I have a towel on my head, and I put this Fanola Fiber Fix Bond Connector mask on my hair, and I'm probably just gonna leave this on my hair for like an hour or so, maybe longer, and then rinse it out. And I might tone it today, or I might give it like a day or two of rest and then tone it later, because I feel like sometimes if I tone it right after bleaching it, the what are these called? The pores, I guess, of your hair are too open and it doesn't stick as well. I need them to close just a little bit so that the toner sticks better. But yeah, my hair is looking pretty laser lemon yellow right now, but that's okay because toner will fix it. So, but yeah, it didn't take that long though, which is great. So I'm just gonna let this mask in my hair and I'm gonna go eat lunch now. Bye. Hello, it's the next night. I have decided to tone my hair because as you can see, it's very yellow. So what I'm going to tone it with is I'm going to put it in this and then put it on my hair. I use Wella T18 Color Charms Toner, Wella Developer, and I'm gonna put Olaplex in it too. So what you do with this toner is you do 1 part toner to 2 parts developer. So I use this whole bottle and put it in here. So that fills it up to there, which is about 40 milliliters. So I'm gonna fill it up to a little bit above this 4-ounce mark, double that with developer. To about there. And then I'm gonna take 1/16 Olaplex. I have no idea if these measurements are right, so don't trust me on this. I am not a hair care professional. My face is very red right now. Put it in here. Now you apply this to wet hair. So I'm gonna put this on in the bathroom. I'm not gonna film it because it always makes a really big mess, and it's easier to do it just in the bathroom, like by the sink or the shower. Yeah, but what you have to do is get your hair wet and then towel dry it, brush it out, and then put this on. I'm gonna focus it on the roots and then maybe drag any extras down. Bye, see you when my hair's done. Alright, hello YouTube. So it is now 3 or 4 days after bleaching my hair, and I toned my hair 2 days ago, and this is the final color. So yep, this is how it turns out when I do my hair at home. I kind of like this color. It's a little bit silvery right now, but it'll fade more into like a golden blonde. Yeah, but it's good. My hair still feels really soft from the mask that I put on it every time I wash my hair. So yeah, if you liked this video, make sure to give it a like or a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of me, subscribe if you want to, but only if you want to. And I hope this video was helpful if you're looking to bleach your own roots at home. Once again, I am not a hair care professional, so this is just what works for me. I'm not saying it works for everybody. Be very gentle with your hair. Using harsh chemicals like that is really dangerous. Yeah, but thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye-bye!